Hello my dear students, good afternoon all of you. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. This is your Tasip sir and today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn a new exercise means chapter number 9 measurement exercise number 9a. Okay, in last lecture what we have done? In last lecture we have done converting. I am writing here converting meter to centimeter. What my dear students, we learned this table in last lecture. Converting meters to centimeter. Centimeters. We have done in this last lecture. So my points, my dear students, this topic we have done. See, this is table. We have done in last lecture. I hope you all are understood. And today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn exercise number 9a, question number 1. So now my dear students, I am going to start here question number 1. So first of all, my dear students, write the previous subject, date, or also read together chapter number 9, measurement. Got my point? Sorry, you note down these all things, and which is important for which all things are important for us. Exercise number 9a. Question number 1. What is the question number 1 on? Convert to centimeter. Convert to centimeter. Convert to centimeter, my dear students. Okay. So first of all, my dear, you all please note down these things. Put a heading first. First this maths, chapter number 9 measurement, and again you write in your rough book 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and this meter to convert this centimeters table. I will give you time and then we will move on further our question answer. So now take your time, my dear students, and then we will move on further. First of all, you write the subject, then after you then after you write the chapter number 9, measurement, and then you write the 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, and then my dear students, write the table meter to centimeter. Okay? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. What my dear all? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter, 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter, 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter, 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter, 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter, 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter, 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter, and 9 meter is equal to 900 centimeter, and 10 meter is equal to 1000 centimeters. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Okay, got my points, my dear students? So now here we will going to start our question number 1, convert to centimeter. Okay, what we are going to learn today? We are going to learn our exercise number 9a, question number 1, convert to centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? So here I am writing the question 3 centimeter. What my dear students, I am writing here the 3 centimeter. So now answer. Okay, 3 centimeter. So 3 meter, not a centimeter, 3 meter. By mistake I got that 3 centimeter. We have to convert in the centimeter. 3 meter. So now here we will check 3 meters. the first line is the meters line. See, this is a meter. 1, 2, 3. This is 1 to all 10 is meter, and 100 to 1000 is all centimeter. So 3 meters. So we check the downside. How many centimeters? 300. So we will write here 300 centimeter. 300 centimeter. And don't forget to making a box in answer. On answer. Okay, my dear students, got my points, what I am telling you here. Then now we will move on for the question number B. Now we will move on further the question number B. And let's check here the what is the question number B. Question number B is the 8 meter. How many meters? 8 meters. Okay, what my dear students? 8 meter. But first of all, we are solving the question number A. You write, and then we will move on the question number B. Very easy question, all dear. 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Okay, 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. See, 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. And here, my dear students, here, see, 8 meter. 8 meter. 8 meter. So how many centimeters? See, 8 meters. How many centimeters? 800 centimeters. 800 centimeters. My points, my dear students, I hope you all are understood. So now here, what is the answer? 800 centimeters. Good, my points. So now note down the answer. B. 8 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 800 centimeters. Okay. So my points all what I am telling you here. And then we move on further, what my dear. And you must be draw the lines if possible. So because of I don't have the space, that's why I'm going here. Okay. Then now we will move on question number C. 7 centimeter. Sorry, 7 meter. How many? 7 meters. So now 7 meter. We will check here. 7 meter. See here. 7 meter. See, this is a meter column. Sorry, meter column. Row. And we have to check. 7, so 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. So we write here the 700 centimeters. Answer is what, my dear students? 700 centimeter. Understood all, my dear students? Good, my points all. Okay, now we will move on for the question number B. Question number D. What my points, my dear students? Question number D. So question number D is a difference, means a 3 meter and 20 centimeter. Now you think, my dear student, why centimeter is coming from question? We have to convert it also centimeter. So why it's covered 20 centimeter? I'll tell you. First of all, I'm telling you all. I'll explain you all. But first of all, you write the question number A, B, or C. And then we'll start the question number D all. Properly you note down this also, my dear students, with the using of scale. And then after we move on to further to the question number D all. Got my points all, what I am telling you here. Okay, my dear, what I am telling you, you all are understood? And then after we will move on for the session, my dear. Okay, I explain you again the question number one. What is the question number one? 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. 300 centimeter. Then after B, 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. Then question number C, 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. Okay. Good. My points, my dear students, what I am telling you here. And then we move on further, my dear students, on a question number D. Where P is on the question number D. So we move on our question number D. So let's start here the question number D. 3 meter, my dear students. So first of all, we write the 3 meter. 3 meters. So how many centimeter? 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. See, this is all. 3 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Put my point, my dear students. 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeters. Okay. Then after what we do, and we put the same 20 centimeters. So we put the same 20 centimeter as it is. Then after what we do, then after we do the addition. So 300 centimeter plus 20 centimeters. Here we do addition. 0 plus 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 3 as it is. Same centimeter as it is. So now add the answer. 320 centimeters. Understood? Put my points, my dear students. I hope you all are understood. Put my points all. It's a question number D. Okay, I'll explain you then after. Then my dear students, we will move on to question number E. 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter and 75. Sorry, 6 meter and 75 centimeter. 75 centimeter. Put my points, my dear students. So here we are going to write the answer. So 6 meter. 6 meter. So how many centimeter? See here. 6 meter. So how many centimeter? 600 centimeters. 600 centimeters. Now 75. We put the add in. We put the as it is 75 centimeters. And then what we will do here? We will do here the addition. 600 centimeter, 75 centimeter. Okay. So 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. 6 as it is. So answer is what? 675. 675 centimeter. Put my points, my dear students. Who understood all what I am telling you? Okay, it's the question number E. Now we move on to question number F. 9 meter and 19 centimeter. 9 meter and 19 centimeter. So 9 meter or so how many centimeters? See, this is a 9 meters. So how many centimeters? 900 centimeters. 900 centimeters. How many, my dear students? 9 meter is equal to 900 centimeters. And we put the as it is 90 centimeters. Now what we will do here? We do here the addition. So we do here the addition of 900 centimeter plus 19 centimeter. Okay, so 0 plus 0, 0 plus 9, 9 as it is. Okay, so answer is what? 990 centimeter. Understood all? It's the question number F. I hope you all are understood. Note down the D, E, F, and then we will move G or H. So now we note down this both some my dear students, and then after we will move on further. Question number G, or question number H. Good my points, my dear students. So we will move on G or H. So first of all, you note down the D, E, and F. I hope you all are understood. And again, I will explain, and then after we will move on further. All my dear students. Properly, you note down these all things, my dear students. And after we move on further. Okay, so question number G and H we are going to learn. I hope you all have understood D, E or F. First of all, you find the meters. 3 meters, so how many centimeters? 300 centimeter, and then after centimeters digit 20 centimeter, you put a same as it is. Okay, you put a as it is. What my points, my dear students? Understood all? You put the same things as it is. So my dear students, properly write the answer and don't forget to making a box. Compulsory you have to make a box. What my dear students, compulsory you have to make a box. Question number A, B, C, D, E, F. We have done here. How many questions we have done? We have done question number A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. We have done this both question. So now we will move on further, my dear students, our session. We will move on our session, means a question number G. What is the question number G? 5 meter and 5 centimeter. 5 meter and 5 centimeter. Okay. So now here, my dear students, we will write the first 5 meters. So how many centimeter? 5 meter. So 500 centimeter. Understood? See, 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Note my points, my dear students. Then after we write the 5 centimeter as it is. Understood all? Then we will move on further. Do the addition. So how we do the addition? 500 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. Okay, so answer is what all? 0 plus 5. So 5, 0 as it is and 5 as it is. The answer is what? 505. So 505 centimeter. Understood? Now we will move on the last question. Question number H. So let's check here what is the question number H. So 9 meter, sorry 8 meter and 9 centimeter. 8 meter and 9 centimeter. Got my point, my dear students? Then we will move on further. We will solve the answer. So 8 meters. So how many centimeter, my dear students? 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. What, my dear students? 8 meter is equal to 8 meter is equal to 800. 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. See, this is 800. 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. See this. Understood all? And 9 centimeter we put as it is. Same 9 7. And then after what we will do? We will do the solve, do the addition. 800 centimeter 9 centimeter plus 0 plus 9 0 as it is and 8 as it is. It's convert into the centimeter. So answer is what? 809 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you, my dear students? So now you note down this all sums together. All question number G or H. Now you note down this all sum. Okay, in this side, my dear students, in this side, question number A, B, C, D, E, F, and here G and H. So first of all, I hope you all are understood. And again, I will explain you after you writing. Okay, all sum again I will explain you after you writing. So now you note down this all sum G or H. You also note down, and then we will move on further, my dear students, on question number 2. And in next session we will be find the I'll give you some objects. You have to find the measurement. Okay, means for example, my dear students, this is a bottle. What, my dear students? This is a water bottle. You have to find the centimeter of water bottle as like that, my dear students. See, as per told you are putting in the beside the scale and then you are measuring properly. Okay, as like that. If how many centimeters, my dear students? Okay, it's a 20 centimeter, 21 centimeter of water bottle. So you have to count this as like it's a different object. Then after you complete this question, then I'll give you objects. Okay, you have to find the centimeter of this all objects. But my point is, my dear students, what I'm telling you. And compulsory you have to write these all things, my dear students. Okay, first you write now in your rough book, then after write in your fair book properly with good and clean handwritings. So my dear students, now I am going to explain question number D, E, F. Okay, so now here again I repeat for a D, E or F. So 3 meter is it? Okay, what is the question first? 3 meter 20 centimeter. What, my dear students? 3 meter 20 centimeter. So 3 meters. So how many centimeters? See, 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Now 20 centimeter we put as it is. Okay, so here what we do the next step? We do the next step. 300 centimeter plus 20 centimeter. What my points, my dear students? 322 centimeters. Answer is what? 320 centimeters. Okay, this is the question number B. Now we will move on to question number A. 6 meter 75 centimeter. 6 meter 75 centimeters. So we write 6 meters. So how many centimeters? 6 meters. So 600 centimeters. So see here 600 centimeter. 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter. 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter. Okay, and 75 centimeter. 600 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. We have to do addition. Okay, so answer is what? 675 centimeter. See here the answer 675 centimeter. Same here the question number F. 9 meter is equal to 90 centimeter. So 9 meters, how many centimeter, my dear students? 9 meter. So see here 9 meters, how many? 900 centimeters. Okay, and then after 90 centimeter we put as it is. Then after what we will do here, we will do the addition. Okay, 990. So it's what? 990 centimeter is our answer. Got my points? What I am telling you. Okay, so here question number 3. 5 meter 5 centimeter. We have to find the answer. 5 meter is equal to how many centimeter? See here answer. 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. So 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. And then 5 centimeter as it is. This 5 centimeter we put the as it is. Okay, and then what we will do here, we will do the same step, addition. 500 plus 5, 505 centimeters. So answer is what? 505 centimeter. So my points, my dear students, and here the question number H. 8 meter 9 centimeter. What, my dear students? 8 meter and 9 centimeter. So 8 meter is equal to how many centimeters? See, 8 meters, how many centimeter are? 800 centimeter. 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. And 9 centimeter, we put the same as it is. So 800 centimeter plus 900 centimeters. Put my points, my dear students. So 809 centimeter we put as it is, and answer is what? 809 centimeter. So here we have done the exercise number 9a, question number 1, convert to centimeter. Okay, question number 8 to H we have done. I hope you all are understood. And tomorrow we are going to learn a question number 2. But my points, my dear students, I hope you all are understood. Now you note down these all questions, answer. One more thing, my dear students, tomorrow we are going to learn what? Tomorrow we are going to learn a question number 2. What we are going to learn tomorrow, my dear students? Tomorrow we are going to learn question number 2. Okay, means we have to observe, means we have to measure a length. Okay, means we have to measure the length, because of I have any things, means I have a marker now in my hands. So you have to measure the length of marker. How many centimeters of marker? How many length of the marker? 10 centimeter means 3. Okay, 6 centimeter. How many, my dear students? 6 centimeter. Okay, my dear students, 6 centimeter of the marker. How many centimeter? 6. Here we are 5 or 6. Properly it's a 5. But my points, my dear students, I hope you all are understood. This is marker. I show you only example, and you have to find the in homework at your home properly. Whenever you are drinking any juice, cold drink, so what you are using that time? Straw. So if you have a straw, so you check the length of the straw, my dear students, and after you check the length of spoon. What, my dear students? You will be going to check the length of spoon. Put my points. I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, and then after you have any key. This is my bike key. So that's why you measure your home key. Okay, you this is your object is what? Home key, and you check the length of what? Home key. Understood, my dear students? With what you are using, that that time you are measuring scale, not a big scale, large. If you have a big scale, so why you are that time you are using? I give you here key, straw, and spoon, and you send it me on personally on my WhatsApp. You measure the length of the key, you measure the straw of the length, and you measure the length of spoon, and you send it me on my personal WhatsApp. Got my points? This is your today's activity based homework. Got my points? I hope you all are understood. And today we have done this question number 1. Tomorrow we are going to learn question number 2 basis on this question. Okay, thank you so much all of you. Thank you from watching this video.